Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, is one of India's most significant and widely celebrated festivals. Spanning 5 days, this festival symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. But what lies behind this vibrant celebration? What makes Diwali so important to millions around the world? One of the most enduring stories linked to Diwali comes from the ancient Indian epic, the Ramayana. According to the legend, Diwali marks the return of Lord Rama, his wife Sita, and his brother Lakshmana to the kingdom of Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. The people of Ayodhya, overjoyed by the return of their beloved prince, illuminated the entire city with oil lamps, symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. Another central figure in the Diwali celebration is goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. It is believed that on this auspicious day, Lakshmi emerged from the churning of the ocean of milk, an event known as Samudra Manthan. In her honor, devotees clean their homes, light lamps, and perform prayers, inviting Lakshmi to bless their homes with wealth and prosperity for the year to come. In some parts of India, Diwali is also a celebration of Lord Krishna's victory over the demon king Narakasura. This event, commemorated on the second day of Diwali, known as Naraka Chaturdashi, is marked by Krishna's triumph, which brought peace and freedom to the people who suffered under Narakasura's tyranny. This story, like that of Rama, underscores the theme of good conquering evil. Today, Diwali is celebrated with great enthusiasm not only in India, but also around the world. It is a time for families to come together, exchange gifts, and enjoy festive foods. Homes are meticulously cleaned and decorated with colorful rangolis, and the night sky is lit up with fireworks. Diwali has become more than just a festival. It is a time for renewing bonds with loved ones, reflecting on the past year, and looking forward to a prosperous future. Beyond the festive lights and celebrations, Diwali holds profound spiritual significance. It is a time for introspection, for dispelling inner darkness, and for recommitting to the path of righteousness. Diwali serves as a reminder that no matter how dark the times may seem, the light of goodness will always prevail. As the Festival of Lights comes to an end, its message lingers in the hearts of all who celebrate. Diwali teaches the importance of love, compassion, and the eternal victory of good over evil. It is not just a time of celebration, but also a reminder of the light within each of us, a light that has the power to dispel any darkness. In India, Diwali is celebrated with immense fervor and joy. Homes are thoroughly cleaned and decorated with rangoli, colorful patterns made on the floor, and flowers. New clothes are worn, and families come together to perform rituals, exchange gifts, and enjoy festive meals. Sweets and snacks are prepared and shared with neighbors and friends. Fireworks and crackers are a common feature of Diwali celebrations, symbolizing the joy and excitement of the festival. However, in recent years, there has been a growing awareness of the environmental impact of fireworks, leading to more eco-friendly celebrations. The 5 days of Diwali have specific rituals and significance. Dhanteras. The first day, dedicated to wealth, is considered auspicious for buying gold, silver, and new utensils. Naraka Chaturdashi, Choti Diwali. The second day, associated with the demon Narakasura's defeat, involves cleaning the house and decorating it. Lakshmi Puja, Diwali. The third day is the main festival day, dedicated to worshipping goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha, followed by the lighting of diyas and bursting of fireworks. Govardhan Puja. The fourth day celebrates Lord Krishna lifting Govardhan Hill to protect the villagers of Vrindavan from torrential rains. Bhai Dooj. The fifth. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss the next videos.